Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about data types in Python. So this is very important topic in Python. Data type represent the type of data present inside a variable. So here data type is used to define the type of data that the variable is used to store. సో ఒక వేరియబుల్ ఏ డేటా టైప్ని స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటుంది, ఏ టైప్ ఆఫ్ డేటాని స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటుంది అని డిఫైన్ చేసేదే డేటా టైప్. అగైన్ వాట్ ఈజ్ ఎ వేరియబుల్? సో వేరియబుల్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ స్టోరేజ్ స్పేస్ ఫర్ ద వాల్యూ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, సో హియర్ a is equals to 10. So I am storing a is equals to 10. So here a is a storage space which is used to store the value 10. Okay, a is a variable which is used to store the value. Okay, so then what is data type? Data type is used to define the type of data that the variable store. So here the data type of a variable is int because here it stores integer value. 10 is a integer value, so that's why a is a int data type. Okay, so normally in C we define the data types like int, a comma b. So we all know a is an integer variable which is used to store only integer value, and also b is an integer variable which is used to store only integer value. Yes, in Python we are not required to specify the type explicitly. No need to specify the type explicitly. So here int a comma b comma, no need to specify, just a is equals to value, b is equals to value. So based on value provided, the type will be assigned automatically. Hence Python is dynamically typed language. సో మనం పైథాన్లో ఏ డేటా టైప్ అని స్పెసిఫై చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. బేస్డ్ ఆన్ డేటా, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ వాల్యూ, ఇట్ విల్ డిసైడ్ ద టైప్. సో హియర్ ఐఎమ్ స్టోరింగ్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 10. సో దిస్ మీన్స్ హియర్ a is a integer variable, integer data type. Next b is equals to 20.5. So it is a float because it contains decimal. Next one, c is equals to hello. Okay, so hello is nothing but collection of characters. Collection of characters is nothing but string. Yes, so here c is string. Okay, so in this way, based on value, Python automatically assign the type. Okay, next, so Python built-in data types. So these are the Python built-in data types. So here text type data types are str. So in C there are two data types are available, char and string. So in Python there is no char data type, so only string data type, str. Numerical data types, those are int, float, complex. Next, sequence, list, tuple, range. Next, mapping, dictionary. Set type, set, frozen set. Next, boolean type, bool. Binary type, bytes, byte array, memory view. Next, non type, none type. Okay, so these are the different built-in data types in C. So in this class we are going to learn about 5 built-in data types of C. So here first, Python built-in functions. So these are the functions of Python. So the first one is type function. So first of all, what is a function? So function is a subprogram which is used to perform specific task. So here there are 3 types of built-in functions in Python. The first one is type. Type function is used to perform specific task. So it is a predefined function. So predefined functions are used to perform specific task. So here type function is used to check the data type of a variable. For suppose a is equals to 10. Okay, so a is equals to 10. No need to specify the data type because Python dynamically assign the values. Okay, so a is equals to 10. Next I want to know the type. So that's why type of a. So it will return integer. type function is used to return the data type of a variable. So here a is integer because we are storing integer value. Next, so if you are storing a is equals to 10.5, it will return float because it contains decimal part. If you are storing a is equals to hello, it will return string. Okay, so type is used to return the data type. Clear? Next, id function. So here, if you want to know the address of variable, okay, for suppose if you define a is equals to 10, so memory is allocated for a and value 10 is stored in that memory location. For suppose the memory location of a variable is 10101. So if you want to know the address of a variable, particular variable, then you need to specify id of a. So it will return the address of the variable. Okay. Next, the last one is print method, print function. So print function, we all know in C we have printf. So here we use only print to display the messages or values of variables. So here print is used to display the value of variable. A is equals to 10. If you want to display the value of a, then print of a. It will return 10. Okay. So let's see, first one is type, it will return the data type. Next id, it will return the address of variable, it will return the value of variable. Okay, let's see the data types one by one. The first one is int data type. Okay, so we all know integer data type. Integer data type is used to represent whole numbers, either positive or negative numbers. Okay, so here example is a is equals to 10. If you want to know the type of a, then type of a. So it will return int. Okay. So we can also give the integer values by using this base. Okay. These number systems. The first one is decimal form. Okay. Decimal form, what is the base? Base is 0 to 9. Base is 10. The values are 0 to 9. So you can give integer is equals to 1 9. Okay, so 1 is also part of 0 to 1. 0 to 9, and 9 is also part of 0 to 9. Okay, next one is binary form. Binary form contain base 2. It contains only values zeros and ones. So if you are giving a is equals to 0 1 1, so you need to use prefix 0b. Okay, 0b is used to represent binary numbers. Okay, next one is octal form. Octal form, base is 8. The values are 0 to 7. Okay, 0 to 7. So if you are giving octal numbers, you need to prefix with 0 0 O. Okay, 0 O 7 6. A is equals to. Okay, so you need to use prefix 0 O. Next one is hexadecimal form. So here the base is 16 and the prefix is 0 to x. Values are 0 to 9 and A to F. A is considered as 10, B is considered as 11, C is considered as 12 and F is considered as 15. 0 to 15, base 16. So you can give integers directly or you can use these number system: decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. Okay. So if you want to change from one base to one number system to another number system, one base to another base, then you need to use base conversions. Okay. So Python provides the built-in functions for base conversions. Okay. So if you want to store one binary number to octal or hexadecimal, or if you want to convert one octal number to binary or hexadecimal, then you need to use this base conversions. Okay, so why we are not using decimal? Because by default decimal is nothing but int. Okay, no need to conversion. Okay, so that's why we are using these three type of base conversions. So for example, So if you want to convert any octal number, or so this is a decimal number, yes, so I am converting decimal number to binary number. For 1, the value is 0001, yes. Next, for 0, 0000. So this is the binary number for 10. Okay. So next, if you want to convert octal number, then you need to use oct function. Next, hex is used to convert any base to hexadecimal number. Okay, these three are base conversions. You can give integer values by using only int. Okay, directly. So in this way, or you can use these base, okay, number systems. Okay, the first one int is over. The next one is float data type. We can use float data type to represent decimal numbers, decimal values. Okay, so here a is equals to 1.2.3.4. Okay, 1.234. So here it contains the decimal part, but we are not providing any keyword float. We are not declaring like this. So just we are declaring a is equals to 1.234. So it will return the type as a float. Okay. Yes. Next one is complex data type. Okay. So a complex is in the form of a plus bj. A is known as real part and bj is known as imaginary part. Okay. So a is real part and b is imaginary part. AB contains integers or floating point numbers. So for suppose a value is integer or floating point number. Both are allowed. So here a is equals to 3 plus 5j. It is in the form of a plus bj form. A is a value, b is a value, and you need to include one character. Okay. So here it contains integers. Next, b is equals to 10 plus 5.4j. Next, 0.5 plus 0.1j. So you can use any of the following these forms to give complex numbers. Okay. So the next type is bool type. Bool is nothing but boolean. It contains only two values, either true or false. So if you want to check the condition, that is a greater than b. So for suppose a greater than b అనే కండిషన్ మీరు చెక్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటే, for suppose a value is 10, b value is 20. Okay, so a greater than b. So what is the possible result? So result ఏమై ఉంటుంది? సో హియర్ రిజల్ట్ అయితే ఒక వాల్యూ అయితే కాదు. ఓకే, సో either 10, 20, 30, that's not a value. Yes, so here it contains two possible values. Either it is true or it is false. Suppose 10 greater than 20. Is it true or false? It is false. It contains only two possible values, either true or false. In this type of situations, we need to use bool data types. We can use this data type to represent boolean values. The only allowed values are true and false. So only it contains true and false. Internally, Python represent true as 1 and false as 0. Okay, so Python is case sensitive language. What is meant by case sensitive? Case sensitive means uppercase letters are different and lowercase letters are different. So for suppose a is equals to 10, next a is equals to 10. So here two memory locations are allocated. So one for a, one for capital A. So here 10 is stored and here also 10 is stored. Okay, these two variables are different. Okay, first suppose a value is equals to 10 and capital A value is equals to 10. Next again I am taking small a is equals to 20. Now what happened? The 10 value is replaced with 20 value. Okay, so Python is a case sensitive language, means uppercase letters are different and lowercase letters are different. Okay, so see this example, b is equals to true. So Python is a case sensitive language. Only Boolean values should be capital. The first letter should be capital. True. Type of B is bool. Okay. So see this example. A value is 10, B value is 20, C is equals to A greater than B. So what is the value of C? So we are printing the value of C. So here the value of C is either true or false. So here A value is 10 greater than 20. It is false. So that's why it prints false. Okay. So this C data type is type of C is, what is the value? Type of C is, it returns the data type, that is bool. Okay. Next, the last data type is str data type, string data type. Okay. So str represents string data type. A string is a sequence of characters enclosed within single quotes or double quotes. Okay. So collection of characters are enclosed within single quotations or double quotations is known as string. So normal ga manaku C lo aithe there are two data types, character and string. So what is a character? Character is nothing but char data type which is used to store only one character at a time. So characters are alphabets, digits, special symbols, small alphabets and capital alphabets. Okay. So these are known as characters. So char data type is used to store only one character, either A or Z or whatever the character. So that should be in single quotation. And what is a string? Collection of characters is known as a string. So this is true. So if you want to differentiate characters and string, the characters are enclosed in single quotations and strings are enclosed in double quotations in C. So C లో అయితే అలా క్యారెక్టర్స్ని స్ట్రింగ్స్ని డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేస్తాం. బట్ మనకి పైథాన్లో ఎలాంటి క్యారెక్టర్ డేటా టైప్, క్యార్ డేటా టైప్ లేదు. ఓకే. సో ఓన్లీ దెర్ ఈజ్ ఎ స్ట్రింగ్ డేటా టైప్. సో దట్స్ వై strings are enclosed either in double quotations or in single quotations. So here the type of S is string. Print S value, that is it will print the Python. Okay. So by using single quotes or double quotes we cannot represent multi-line string literals. So by using single quotations or double quotations you can represent only one line of string, single line of string. So if you want to represent multi-line string, okay, so here it contains, this is Python string, here it contains 1 2 3 lines. So if you want to represent multi-line string literals, for this requirement we need to use either triple single quotations or triple double quotations. So here I used triple double quotations. You can use triple single quotations also for multi-line string literals. Okay. So normally one line strings are used to enclose between single quotations or double quotations, but multi-line string literals should enclose between triple single quotations or triple double quotations. Okay, clear? So these are the 5 important data types in in Python: int data type and float data type, complex data type, bool data type and string data type. Okay, so remaining data types, just wait a second: list, tuples, dictionary, set. So all these data types I will discuss in coming videos. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.